Hello Bunchu, how are you all? In this session, in this video, we'll try to understand how image will be formed or what are the characteristics of image formed by concave mirror when object is placed in different positions. Okay, when object is placed at different positions in front of concave mirror, you will get different characteristics of the images you will get. So all that characteristics of the images we'll try to understand in this class. Yeah, here what you will get is, let us take a steel spoon. Try to imagine first how it will be formed. Let us take a steel spoon, very new, brand new one. You can see inner surface, okay? Inner surface and outer surface. Inner surface, inner surface is reflecting, so it is like concave mirror it will act. And outer surface is also reflecting, right? For the steel spoon, what you're going to take, that will act like a convex mirror. So when you see through the very nearer to you, spoon, you just take the spoon and put very close to you, you observe your image will be inverted and enlarged. Okay, that kind of mirror image you will see. At the same time, you can observe from back side, you can see the smaller image, it is erect image, here inverted image you're going to observe. So in case of spherical mirrors, when you place the different points, when far from you can see or from nearby you can see, you can see the enlarged image. You can see from far objects that will come inverted. Same time you will get inverted also or erect also in case of concave. But in case of convex, only erect images which is upright we can able to see in the concave and convex mirror. So what are the different kinds and different planes we going to play object? So all we'll try to understand. We already learned that what are the terms, with respect to what terms we're going to explain. This means, see, a mirror, you can take aperture of a mirror like mn. This is just length of a mirror, will just indicate. And the pole, which is like act like a horizon, from where we're going to take all our observations or readings. And the point for f, where all the rays or infinite rays will come and meet. That is what we call focus. And the center of curvature is act like a rather entire sphere, where the center of the circle is nothing but center of the sphere. So based on this all points, we're going to take some positions first. Now, if you imagine, if you take object is three condition. One, we can take that object is behind C. Okay, we can take case one, it is object is behind C, object is at C, and object is between, okay, object is between C and F, and object is at focus, and object is less between F and P, like that. So different conditions or five cases we're going to take or consider to represent the position of the object. So where we'll get position of the image, we'll just understand. Let us draw this clearly. Let us take, this is the principal axis which is passing from center of curvature to the pole, and somewhere in between exactly the focus will lies. Now case one is object is behind C. Okay, case one is object is behind C, this side. Okay, this side, when you in between you can place your object. Okay, here to here you can place, that is the case 1. And case 1 is this, and case 2 is exactly at C. View plane place object at C, this is a case 2. And case 3 is it will place between C and F, here to here, this is a case 3. Where is the, what is this, between C, object is between C and F. And the fourth case is object at F, when object is at F. And fifth condition, object is between for F and, okay, object is between F and P, pole and the focus. So there are the five conditions we can able to place the object, right children? Very far from the mirror, at C, and in between C and F. Okay, these are the five cases. Case 1 is behind behind C. Second condition, we can place at C. And third condition, it will between C and F, we can place R. Fourth condition, we can place at F, focus. And fifth condition, between F and port. Okay, these are the 5 conditions we can able to place the object. When you place the object at these 5 positions, the image getting, where you will get image, that will be alter and that will be differ. Okay, let us see how the image will get. We'll just take a new slide. Okay. Okay, we understood the 5 positions of the object. No, let us draw all that 5 positions clearly now. Yeah, just a minute, children. Yeah, 5 positions of the object will draw, so that we'll see how the image will be found. You can observe the first case that we can place the object behind C. That means this is a pole, this is focus, and this is the center of curvature. When we place, let us take the other color. Okay, when you place object behind C, somewhere you place your object, then see, it is very far from the mirror. This is a mirror, very larger distance. So compared to all the 5 conditions, this is a larger distance. So when you place object is placed behind C. When you place object like this, image will be found because of the larger size distance. No, image will be found at smaller size compared to this object height. Image height is reduced, diminished image will form. Where it will form? Image will be formed between C and F. Image will form. I'll take for image other color. Okay, let us take a blue color to represent image. So image will be formed between C and F. It will form between C and F. Okay, that is smaller in size. Let us take another condition. When object is taken exactly at the C, when object is taken at the C, see now it is coming nearer, approaching to the mirror. So what happens? Size going to increase. So image will be formed. Okay, children, now image will be formed exactly at the same of same size image will be formed. Okay, now if you bring an object nearer, still closer to the mirror, okay, that means between C and F. Now you will take object is between C and F, you will take object, image will be formed, still it will go behind C, it will go. Okay, image will go behind C like this. Image will be formed behind C, but it is enlarged. Okay, it will form a more larger distance, image will go into enlarge size. Or now you take object at infinity, that means from infinite one object is there. Okay, from infinite we taken one object like this, that time image will be formed. Okay, image will be formed at exactly at F, very very diminished size image at point size we call that position. Now you take object at, okay, now you're going to take object at focus. When you take object at focus, you will get image at infinity. Okay, where you will get image you will get at infinite, somewhere you will get image. We cannot very enlarge size, we cannot able to cut on the screen that one. Next condition, when you take object between C and F, you will take object very very closer to the mirror. That time we cannot fall at go back to infinity. Instead of that, it will form behind the mirror. Image will be get like this with the enlarged manner. Compared to this, there is enlarged manner image you are going to get. Clear, children? This is what blue letter I indicated. No, that is images. We can see here. Try to understand clearly when the object is approaching towards the mirror. First condition, second condition, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Try to understand all the 6 position. When it is at infinity, image will be formed at focus. This is the first condition. Second condition, C, when object is at behind C, image will form between C and F in a smaller size. And when object is at center of curvature, image is also at center of curvature. Third image will form like this. And fourth, When object is between C and F, image will form behind C. Like that, when the object is trying to approach towards the mirror, okay, it is trying to approach towards the mirror, as it is approaching towards, image is going back and back. Up to this point, it will go back with enlarged manner, and now when it is very nearer to the mirror, that time it will come to opposite end of the mirror. So all this condition, what we call no real, the same side of the mirror, okay, any image will form same side of mirror, okay, they are called as a real images. And see, all the images what you're standing, they are inverted. Real images always they are inverted. Clear? And the next, only last condition in concave mirror, this is what concave mirror, that is virtual is formed. Virtual means it is opposite. Sorry, virtual means what? Opposite side of mirror. It will form opposite side of the mirror. This is the same side of mirror, this is opposite side of the mirror. And virtual image is always erect, that means upright. They'll stand like this, it won't be invert like this, it will be always upright, erect, what we call. And see, enlarged is form. This real are, here it is point size, and here it is diminished means smaller in size, here it is same size, and here it is enlarged size. So in real and inverted, all possibilities are there, four possibilities, but here virtual erect is only enlarged is there. So let us figure out what we learned so far. Let us write in terms of table, so it will give more clarity to you. Believe me, try to understand and concentrate. When first you will take position of the object, position of object let us take, and second you will take where image will form, that is position of image, and third you will take nature, okay, and or else you'll just consider size, and the last you're going to take nature, how it will be. Okay, see the first case one, when object is at infinity. Okay, first condition you observe there, when object is at infinity, this one first condition, when object is at infinity, image will be formed at focus. Image at focus it will form. What is the size? It is point size, highly diminished. Okay, children, highly, sorry, point size means only highly diminished, and nature is, see, it is inverted and real. Same side of the mirror, right? So real and it is inverted. Clear, children? And the second case, when object at the sea, okay, object is behind sea, okay, when object is behind sea, somewhere here, when object is behind sea, image will be formed between, okay, image will be formed between C and F, okay, image will form here. See second condition where this is one, second one, image will form between C and F. That is also observe size, this is also small compared to object. Size is what? It is small, smaller in size, and it is also what we call real and inverted only. And the third condition, when object at the sea, image will also formed at the sea as of same size, it is not decreasing and increasing. When object at sea, image is also formed at sea with the same size. This is also again real and inverted. Next, fourth condition, when you take object at between F and between C and F, okay, between F and C, like this. When between C and F you will take, image will form behind C, it will form behind C. This is the last condition, behind C it will form. In that condition, it is an enlarged size will form, but it is real and inverted. Okay, last condition is, sorry. Okay, the last condition, fifth condition is, when object at F, okay, when object is at, image will form at infinity, highly enlarged. So again it is real and inverted only. And the sixth condition is, okay, when the object between F and P. This is the last condition. Between P and F, image will be formed behind, see, opposite end of the mirror. Okay, after mirror it will form. It will form after mirror, and this size, this is enlarged size. Size is enlarged, but it is virtual and erect image will going to form. Clear, children? This is the possibilities of image formed by the plane mirror. Okay. Okay. Now try to understand. See, whatever we learned so far. One second. Yeah. See, in the practically, if you do in a laboratory, how it will come. Okay. Suppose you will conduct this activity, take a concave mirror and try to do activity. You put a concave mirror. Okay. Where you kept the mirror actually, and this is actually act like a screen where you're going to take the image. When you place, see, it is very far from here, right? This is actually the line, principal axis, where somewhere here, center of curvature, this is the object, we kept object behind. See, imagine that time what happened. See, the image will be inverted. See, candle flame is burning like this upright, but the image you can see it is inverted image. Okay, this is what we call inverted images. Inverted image will be getting on the screen, so we can able to cut on the screen. No? So that is why they are called as a real images. Okay, real images we can able to cut on the screen, and this is inverted. Real images are always inverted. Okay, and the second condition, when we for very far, that means the case of behind C, we can see opposite. Behind C means where it will form at between C and F, image will form, but we can able to cut on the screen. It is very closer. Okay, near, this distance is brought nearer to the mirror. What happened? The size we can see what enlarged. Behind C it will form, but it is enlarged image you're going to get. Okay, this is the conditions, two condition. What we can see, no, case 1 and case 3 here. And next one, try to understand. When you place object, last condition, I don't know last condition, when object is at between C and F. Okay, when object is placed between C and F, the last condition, object is at object placed between between pole and focus. That means very closer to the mirror. Somewhere here pole, no? Here pole and here focus. Somewhere here you place object, image will be formed behind C. Okay, that means see, you can see image not on the screen. Instead, you can see image on the mirror itself. Okay, you can see the image in the mirror itself. Okay, that is what we can able to see. In plane mirror we can see our image in the mirror only, no? Like that we can able to see behind. See that size here, enlarged size. Okay, and it is erect. It is not inverted like a previous condition. It is what, it is erect and it is formed behind the mirror, no? So it is virtual and erect images and enlarged image we can see when object is placed at pole and the between pole and the focus. Here you place object, so image will be getting opposite side of the mirror. I hope this is clear, right, children? How image will be formed on the concave mirror when we place a different position. In concave mirror, 5 possibilities are: when you place object behind C, image will be formed between C and F. When you place the object, okay, when you place the object at the C, image will also formed at C only. And when you place the object between C and F, okay, when